Northrop Grumman APG-81 Active Electronically Scanned Array, or AESA radar. Centerpiece of F-35 lethality. Provides unmatched capabilities for air-to-air, air-to-surface, stealth, and electronic warfare operations. At the heart of the AESA are miniature transmit and receive, or TR modules. The APG-81 AESA radar has over 1,000 TR sites and includes an advanced receiver and exciter that are capable of extreme waveform agility and are mounted behind the AESA. With no moving parts, the numerous TR modules are electronically steered together to provide nearly instantaneous beam repositioning. In this actual flight test, there are 23 targets within 100 miles. 19 targets are detected and tracked in under 3 seconds. And all 23 targets are detected and tracked in under 9 seconds. The AESA radar continues to track all targets while searching for more. The radar tracks and identifications are integrated and displayed to the pilot on the F-35's Advanced Situational Awareness Cockpit Display Systems. The APG-81 AESA radar supports simultaneous air-to-air and air-to-ground operations and makes huge, high-resolution SAR maps at long ranges with a single look, unlike the small map areas of legacy fighter radars. The APG-81 automatic target queuing rapidly locates targets and reduces pilot workload. The pilot can simply zoom in on an area of interest to expand the detail with no new map required. The APG-81's advanced algorithms recognize and identify military targets with outstanding reliability. The stealthy APG-81 AESA radar is the core of F-35 flexibility and lethality, designed to dominate the battlefield. The APG-81 has long-range active and passive air-to-air and air-to-ground modes. Targets are detected, identified, and engaged well before the adversary can react, offering first look, first shot, and first kill capability. The APG-81 radar can detect, precisely locate, identify, target, and jam surface-to-air missile systems from safe distances. The AESA has outstanding electronic warfare features, enabling unparalleled capability to suppress and destroy the most advanced enemy air defenses. The APG-81 radar also detects and tracks maritime and ground-moving targets with the capability to identify and engage multiple moving targets. The radar can also slew the F-35's electro-optical targeting system for further ID and targeting options. The APG-81 radar system is ultra-reliable, and the array is expected to last the aircraft's lifetime without needing a repair. Predicted radar operational availability is greater than 99%, with flight line repair time under 30 minutes. With over 3,000 radars expected to be produced to beyond the year 2030, and winner of the world's largest AESA radar competition, the APG-81 radar will have a worldwide support system and be fielded with the United States Air Force, Marine Corps, and Navy, as well as 8 partner nations, continuously expanding its modes and increasing its capability. Northrop Grumman's long AESA radar heritage includes the B-1's APQ-164, the F-22's stealthy APG-77, the F-16's APG-80, and scalable agile beam radar Sabre. And now, the F-35's APG-81, which is also adaptable for best value upgrades featuring common hardware, common software, common logistics, training, and continuous APG-81 improvements. The revolutionary APG-81 AESA radar for air-to-air, air-to-ground, maritime, electronic warfare, combat identification, and outstanding reliability. Multifunctional, stealthy, dependable, the world's finest AESA radar. Northrop Grumman.